In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to breed villagers in Minecraft, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by just placing 3 beds beside each other in this little hole, and then make sure that there are 2 villagers within. Now, you're going to actually first make sure that they are within this enclosed space, and then you're going to drop a bunch of carrots, and you'll notice that the villager actually picks them up. Now you're going to do the same thing and just make sure that they both pick up the carrots, just like so. And as you can see, they have both picked up the carrots. And I'm just going to make sure by throwing just a few more, like so. And then you're going to move away. You're just going to move away so that they can't really see you anymore. And as you can see, these hearts will show up. And within about 10 to 30 seconds, there will be another villager actually in the space that you have created. As you can see, once that's done, there is another baby villager. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.